What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, and we're going to take a quick look and unbox my Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. If you're not familiar with the Apple AirPods Pro, this is Apple's version that comes with the noise cancellation feature, as well as some other features, one in particular called Spatial Audio, which gives you almost like a 3D effect when listening to music or movies, TV shows, etc., YouTube videos. I think it works for all that type of stuff, but yeah, spatial audio and then noise cancellation. And this is the actual case that comes with them, and you have your little buds inside here. And you can see that the AirPods Pro are the actual in-ear type headphones and everything. So, and it comes with extra little tips, as you saw earlier, or you will see. It comes with extra little tips that you can put on the end of the AirPods. But yeah, that's pretty much the AirPods Pro. I mean, it's pretty basic. They're Pro, but they're also basic. I mean, there's not a lot of stuff in the box. You got your cord there, and here are those extra little tips I was talking about. You can switch out the sizes and everything. So, but if you're familiar with the regular AirPods, you'll be very familiar with these, but just with a few added features. And I can say that the noise cancellation and the spatial audio is pretty darn awesome. So I definitely recommend the AirPods Pro. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day. And peace. I'm out of here. Take it easy.